Question number 1. What is the national bird of India? Option A, eagle. Option B, sparrow. Option C, peacock. Option D, parrot. Correct answer, option C, peacock. Question number 2. What is the national bird of the USA? Option A, hawk. Option B, pelican. Option C, flamingo. Option D, bald eagle. Correct answer, option D, bald eagle. Question number 3. What is the national bird of Pakistan? Option A, markhor. Option B, chakor partridge. Option C, dove. Option D, owl. Correct answer, option B, chakor partridge. Question number 4. What is the national bird of Bangladesh? Option A, magpie. Robin. Option B, peacock. Option C, swallow. Option D, falcon. Correct answer, option A, magpie robin. Question number 5. What is the national bird of Sri Lanka? Option A, woodpecker. Option B, peacock. Option C, jungle fowl. Option D, parrot. Correct answer, option C, jungle fowl. Question number 6. What is the national bird of China? Option A, penguin. Option B, swan. Option C, eagle. Option D, red-crowned crane. Correct answer, option D, red-crowned crane. Question number 7. What is the national bird of Japan? Option A, owl. Option B, parrot. Option C, green pheasant. Option D, crow. Correct answer, option C, green pheasant. Question number 8. What is the national bird of Australia? Option A, kiwi. Option B, emu. Option C, ostrich. Option D, cockatoo. Correct answer, option B, emu. Question number 9. What is the national bird of New Zealand? Option A, penguin. Option B, kiwi. Option C, takahe. Option D, falcon. Correct answer, option B, kiwi. Question number 10. What is the national bird of France? Option A, swan. Option B, rooster. Option C, eagle. Option D, kingfisher. Correct answer, option A, rooster.